The Google Pixel update for March of 2026 is here, which means the quarterly feature drop is here, adding new features. We've got the new security patch and the latest update for Android 16 on your Google Pixel phone, which is fantastic. And I do want to share this with you. Apparently, it's for Pixel 6 all the way up to the latest Pixel devices. I don't know at this point in time exactly which one of the older phones will get which features, but I'm sure there's a few. And this is just going to be a short video. I'm still here in Barcelona, and it's late in the evening, and I want to go ahead and make sure you know that the update is here. And I'm going to talk about some of these features. So let's go ahead and get through this. So first and foremost, how do we get the update? I always cover this. It's not going to take long. Swipe down from your settings, go to the settings icon, go down to System, and then when you get to System, you're going to tap on Software Updates, and then you're going to tap on System Update. And a lot of times it'll give you this thing that says your system is up to date. Don't believe it, it's likely lying to you. Tap on the check for update and see what it says. So as far as updates, there's a lot of stuff here, and there's probably more than this, but I'm going to read it straight from the Google blog just so it'll tell you some of the things that we've got. And I'll circle back around to this, which not a pun or a segue for this next sentence I'm going to say, but updates to Circle to Search. So Circle to Search now has improvements, which is something they announced at the Samsung event with the Samsung phone. We're getting that improved Circle to Search, where basically you can get like a whole snapshot of things where, like, if you circle like an outfit that somebody's wearing, right? Like what are they wearing? It'll tell you the different pieces, not just like the shirt or whatever. At least that's my understanding. But like, yeah, everything you see on your screen that you circle or whatever, it's whether you identify a plant in a botanical garden, you find out about his character, find out about characters in a movie trailer. Circle to Search can now help you explore every detail of an image and not just like one little facet of it, like what is it. So there's that. It can offload your to-do list to Gemini. So if you do a to-do list, you can offload that to Gemini now, and that's something that's neat. From ordering groceries, booking your rideshare service, to reordering your usual coffee, Gemini works with your apps in the background to complete everyday tasks, and you have the option to view or end tasks, so you're in control. That's something that's available in the Gemini app. Find restaurant recommendations with Magic Q and Gemini. So finding the right place to eat just got a lot easier. When you're texting with friends about restaurant ideas, Magic Q prompts you to use Gemini to find the perfect spot. So that's something that's neat. If you're a social person, likes to go do those things, maybe it'll help me and my wife and my kids to decide where to go sometimes. We actually have a big group chat, so that would be interesting. Keep track of your tunes in the Now Playing app. So the Pixel's built-in recognition tool is getting its own home. Now Playing is now a standalone app, so you can keep track of all your music. I actually really like that. That's really cool. Instead of just listening to what's going on and telling you at the bottom, you can keep track of it, and it has its own app now. So that's something that's really cool, because sometimes it's like, oh, hey, that was that song, and then maybe forget about it later. You want to go back and track that stuff, so that's cool. See more at a glance. So with the at a glance is updated, giving you more information on like transit delays affecting your commute, real-time game scores, financial portfolio stop. At a glance can now help you find the best route home, follow your favorite sports team. That's pretty neat. You can generate custom icons that suit your home screen. So that's neat. Make your home screen even more you. Choose from the 5 AI-generated styles that will give the icons across your display a consistent aesthetic that matches your unique personality. So that's cool. And you can access AI features in more regions now. So scam detection is now available in France, Spain, Italy, Mexico, Germany, and Japan. So that's something that's neat. And in India, Call Notes now allows you to easily review your phone conversations. So they are expanding some of these AI features outside of the US. That's also very important, and it really gives the Google Pixel a lot more favorability and reasons to buy it outside of the US. So that's kind of neat. And protect your phone with your Pixel Watch. Pixel Watch now works proactively to secure your phone. It sends instant alerts if you accidentally leave it behind, and automatically locks your phone the moment you move out of range. So that's something that's neat. And plus, the connected watch and phone now offer faster identity checks for smoother, faster, secure access. Use more AI-powered magic and one-handed gestures on the Pixel. So now with the Pixel Watch 3, including the 4, whether you can do the double pinch or turn your wrist to answer calls, snap a photo, or pause your workout music without touching the screen. That's nice. Plus, let me see what else we got. Pay more conveniently without compromising security. After you toggle the new Express Pay feature, when it's enabled, just turn and tap your Pixel Watch to the reader to buy it. So that's neat. So you don't need to go to the Google Wallet app first. You can just turn your watch and it should enable it so you can make a payment. That's cool. Stay safe and alert. We're expanding their suite of safety tools to make Pixel Watch more essential. The new standalone earthquake alerts notify you of nearby earthquakes in real time and provide seconds can provide seconds of warning so you can take proactive protective action. So that's cool. And Satellite SOS, first launched on Pixel Watch 4, is now available in Canada, Europe, Alaska, and Hawaii, not just the United States. So if there's more stuff, I'll try and circle back around to that later. But go ahead and go get it. It's a rolling update. It should start rolling out as of now. I'm sure some of you can go ahead and get it like I showed you in the beginning of the video. Go ahead, go to your settings, system update. Go ahead and check it out. Play around with some of this stuff. If there's more things, I will try to come back around to it later. Like I said, I'm here in Barcelona. I was actually taking a nap before dinner, and I'm like, oh, the update's available. Of course it is at 8:30 at night in Spain, but back home it's like 1:30 in the afternoon in Central Time. So it makes sense. But Johnny on the spot, got you the update. Go ahead, go forth and prosper. Again, at least the security patch, security updates and things like that are going to go back from Pixel 6 to the latest. They don't break it down in the blog here from Google saying exactly which features are coming to which phones, other than the ones that I specifically talked about. So that might be a topic of discussion for later. But go ahead, download it. If you don't have it now, hopefully you have it in the next couple of days. Just keep checking, and we'll go from there. But that's all I got. If you have any questions, comments, gripes, concerns, complaints, all that stuff, please, of course, go to the comments section. I'll do my best to get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.